said you go hit me after the club, baby, lie again.
We are here at 160 West Clayton Street, our home, my home away from home. Something I'm really proud of on the exterior is that we warmly welcome all humans. That's super important to me. Inclusivity is everything. Let's jump on in. Okay, so we are in just under 6,000 square feet here. We've got 8 fitting rooms, a lot to look at. It's a big old store. We've got a loft space way up in the back that we built in the whatever renovation, the second to last renovation we did. We've got stylists always on the floor, Kirsten and Carly, who right now are taking some inventory, restocking items, putting out new, reworking our tables. Something we're always doing is refreshing end caps, tables, making sure that the store is always giving you some inspiration. So this is fitting room 8, where we film a lot. This is my hangout place. This is also a place where I style. We do virtual and in-person styling sessions, so that's really important. Oh, Lindsay, you scared me. I'm in a Zen state. Can't you see? One of the things that I love about Cheeky is that your shopping company, if there's always been a place to go and sit. It started in our very small store with this beautiful cream couch that we had, and now it's expanded into this great space where we play football games and pop popcorn. We've got a stocked fridge. We have a lot of meetings. I'm actually taking a meeting up here shortly. We had our dream day up here a couple of days ago where we just took a whole day off as a team and as a collective. It's just become kind of our Zen chill zone, if you will. I am sick to death of the spam I get from this little boutique, which I'm assuming using shady practices to get email addresses. Y'all are just so stinking cute, ... Y'all are a bunch of trolls. Remove me from your email list. Stay blessed. So this is my office. I love this shelf, and I love that it's right next to me. It is artwork by my kids. I just adore. I can look at it on any given day. They come in and make little like Post-it monsters that are just so fun and special. The artwork in here, my Elaine Burge artwork, my boobies, very important to me. And then people just give me gifts. That's from Ryder. Just little gifts and trinkets and fun photos from, that's a Christmas party we had a few years ago with Nadia, one of our former store managers. I love having my awards up. I'm very, very proud of these. My UGA Alumni Association 40 Under 40 award is something I'm very proud of. My Bulldog 100s, 3 years in a row. Nat's base pick. A little bit more, some fashion books. My natal chart, very important. We were gifted these candles for Christmas 2 years ago. I believe it was 2 years ago. I love those. I have a very special email from a disgruntled customer, which just reminds you to like laugh it off sometimes, that not all criticism is great criticism. Certainly be introspective, but just to remember to keep it light, and it all doesn't have to be so serious. My big jump, I jumped out of an airplane for ESP and I raised the most money out of all the celebrities, the local business owners mostly, that participated. That's something that's special to me. My Jamie Calkin, my Hannah Betzel employees have gotten these guys for me for gifts. That's Cheeky Peach, done by local artist Jamie Calkin, who's super talented. And then they had Hannah Betzel make up my outfit, Griff's hair tie, and Johnny Lee's dinosaur in there. Everything in here has, I feel like, a lot of significance and feels very homey, and it's just really important to me. When I was there, I touched pee.
welcome. So this is some of the backstock area that we have. So we have backstock in the back and backstock in the almost back. We have a lot of inventory. This is where the backstock of all of our shoes live, and we typically like to organize it by vendor just so we kind of know where we're going. And then we have some more. Hey, Katie.
Oh, hi, girl.
Happening over this way too. So we have all of the shoes. This is actually not a lot of shoes right now. I think this is kind of like a low inventory moment of our shoe inventory. This is where I do a lot of my business and my thinking from day to day. This is also where we go to cry or, I'm not really supposed to say that, but you know. Our kitchenette area, the cheeky snack stash, which is full of Girl Scout cookies right now.
Because I got you guys some cookies. Here you go. Oh. There you go. Take them. Okay. All right.
So you got all of those, but you got us 2 boxes.
I'm putting these in my shower.
Laura, I need your review of the smokes.
Oh,
life changing. Is that
smells like pizza. So good.
It's just, that's my pizza rolls.
So this is where we process all of the things. So any kind of incoming shipments, outgoing shipments, all of the inventory passes through Lauren and her team.
Hi, Lauren.
We have outgoing orders here. This also doubles as our lunchroom and our break room. So we have Laura taking a break here as well. And yeah, this is where the shipments live. So anything new and incoming, right here. And as you can see, we're fully stocked. This is a good day. So this, I'm so sorry. This is top secret. This is X-rated. I can't show you this right now. This is not negotiable. Oh, what is the tea, sis? Shall we take a little tour of the social workspace?
Let's do it.
Okay, cool. So, whenever you peaches DM us or watch a Facebook Live and you're sending us messages via Instagram or Facebook, this is where all of the magic happens. So we're on our cell phones, talking to you guys, and then also sending our invoices here through these computers. So it's quite a small workspace. It used to just be a backstock area, but we built it out for our social team. And then over here, we have a very special book. And this is the Social Styling Bible. She holds all of the great literature, the great poems, it's the gospel of styling, if you will. So let's take a little journey up to the cash wrap, shall we?
Let's do it.
Cool. So this is our cash wrap. When I first started working here, I had no idea what the term cash wrap meant because I'm a moron, but this is the front register, so to speak. But yeah, this is where all of our checking out happens. Peaches, it's been so much fun showing you around, but it's about that time to get the out of here.
Rude.
Bye.
What am I saying?
How's the day going, Brad?
Today's fantastic. Every day is fantastic.
Yeah?
Especially at Cheeky Pete.